わすれもの. You hear this at trains, schools, and shops. People say it when you go home and later think, oh no! わすれもの. 電車や学校、お店でよく聞きます。家に帰ってから、あっと気づくときに使います。It is used as a noun. わすれもの means an item left behind, or something you failed to bring, and it can also describe the act of leaving an item behind. 置きっぱなしになった品や、持っていくのを失念したものを指します。また、そのようにしてしまう行為を言うこともあります。The first kanji means to forget. It suggests letting something slip from the mind. You see it in 忘年会 and 忘却. Think of memory fading away. The second kanji means thing or object. It names both concrete and abstract stuff. You see it in 食べ物 and 荷物. Think of it as a general word for items. I left something on the train. 電車に忘れ物をしました。電車に忘れ物をしました。I forgot something at home, so I'm going back. 家に忘れ物をしたので、戻ります。家に忘れ物をしたので、戻ります。I forgot a lot of things today. 今日は忘れ物が多かった。今日は忘れ物が多かった。The most common synonyms of the word are 落とし物 and 遺失物. 落とし物 is for items you dropped or lost on the way, while 忘れ物 is usually left behind somewhere, like a room or train. 遺失物 is a formal term used by stations and offices. The most common antonym of the word is 持ち物. It means the things you currently have with you, not items left behind somewhere.